Hello grade 2, how are you? Your maths lecture will be start now. Open your page number 36 from volume 1 part 1 exercise 3. And the question is that arrange the following numbers vertically and add. Vertically means that straight up and down. And the question is that 5, 6, 5 plus 2, 9, 8. And you can write this question 5, 6, 5 plus 2, 9, 8. Now solve this question. Draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Now you can write here 3 and carry 1. So now again you can draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the next number 9. Draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And count this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you write 15 plus add 1 carry is equal 16. You can write 6 here and 1 carry. So now you can write again 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next number 2. 1, 2. Now count this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus add 1 is equal 8. So you can write 8 and this question will be solved now. And you can solve other question in this way. Hope grade 2 you understand. Okay, Allah Hafiz.